this video, I will show you how to group elements or media in Camtasia Studio. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates. It encourages us to get more videos for you. So let's get started with the process. Here we have my logo brand intro and audio files which will be added into every YouTube video I create. We can add all these files all into one group and use it again and again in every video as one media element. First, we need to select all these files and right-click on it and group it as a single file. And we are done grouping the logo media elements. To edit the group, we can click this plus icon on this group and we can add any element here like transition or music or video and do the changes to the group. Next, we need to add this group to Camtasia library. We can right-click on the group and add it to the library. Every time we start a new Camtasia file, we can go to the library and add this logo into group instead of all the media files for the logo intro. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like, comment and share my video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content. Thank you.